But I lost my bag. If I lost, they're gonna charge me.
Accident. Accident नहीं लो.
But another travel give me very cheaper. Be careful like this.
And get in the boat together. Okay, please check your personal belongings. Don't forget anything. Next, the way up. 手上带着橘色手环，手上带着橘色手环。现在到时间出发了啊，各位，跟着我出。
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the new video. Again, New Year. फिर से सलंग पियर पे फिर राय कोरल 1 साल के बाद वापस ट्रिप शुरू किया है क्या क्या सर्विसेज है देखते हैं इस बार सनविंड कटामरन यॉट सनसेट डिनर क्रूज सो लेट्स गो दिखाते हैं माली थोड़ी बहुत बिजी है विद द कस्टमर चलो ये पुराना वाला चलम्पिया स्मार्ट पिया न्यू वन स्मार्ट पियर ये नया वाला हुआ ये साल में लास्ट ईयर तक ये नहीं था मैं भी 24 और जो प्राइवेट व्हीकल लेके आते हैं तो पार्किंग ऐसी है 60 बार पार्किंग चार्ज और ये डे ट्रिप बुक करते हैं तो होटल पिकअप पतंग एरिया कली करोन एरिया फ्री है उसके अलावा एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस और ये वाला नया एंट्री प्लेस वाला चलंग पियर का पहले बुल्ली एसी सेंट्रल एसी इधर वॉशरूम क्या हुआ कहीं जैन आया हवे અહીં ફરી એટલી વારમાં ઘર જવું હોય તો જઈએ ને જા हाँ हूँ लेडीज़ ने जेंट्स से अलग अलग अंदर न्यू सेंट्रल एसी चलंपिया चलो चलो भाई आज एक और हाइप क्लास कौन सा है रेनबो सनवील्ड हाइप
Not
Yeah,
Rainbow
like
Hype. Same company actually. It's just a different brand. It's like a different boat with a different level, the full price, different price, a little bit more lower people and lower size of the boat and kind of something like this. But this one I go with the Sanguine first to the sea. How is it? The service much different with the Hype or not?
अभी न्यू ईयर में थोड़ा लग्जरी ट्रिप करते हैं ऐसे ही
Anyways, you do only the VIP meter. You never do the sister.
इस बार मम्मी पापा आए तो उनको लेके थोड़ा
Yeah.
VIP लग्जरी इंफॉर्मेशन डेस्क और इधर से ये चलोंग पियर में नया वाला सेंट्रल एसी बैठने की जगह इधर से फिर सेमेस उधर से टुक से बोट दिखाते हैं स्वाडिगा स्क्रीनिंग ये चलोंग जस्ट वेटिंग एरिया अलग और सेम लाइक आ बाजू આવતી
那边还可以坐2位，那台2位 two person， 对，那台2位。拜拜。
ไปเช็คอินกี่โมงอะคะตัวเองส่งโลเคชั่นมาให้หน่อยได้ไหมคะ
चलो पियर पे तो पहुँचे ऑलरेडी पियर पे ही थे अभी बोट एरिया जहाँ बोट पार्क होती है हाई बोट हम भी आज हाइट की कंपनी में जा रहे हैं भाई कल ही एक हाईवे की है वेट वे फोटो ले रहे हैं तो साथ में ले लो एक इधर फोटो फ्रेम बना के देंगे सनविंड और ये है हमारी कटामरन यॉट ये सिंगल फ्लोर हमारा 2 फ्लोर चलो अंदर पहुंच गए फिर से हाँ इधर हम लास्ट टाइम गए थे रामसोटी तो लिंक डाल दूंगा मैं वो वाला भी हमारा बोर्ड देख सकते हो हैं ए इधर आगे बैठना है तो आगे है जगह या ऊपर बैठना हाँ क्योंकि ऊपर तो पूरा भर पड़ा है हाँ આગળ પેલા ઊંઘવાનું બી છે વાંધો નહીં ઊંઘવું હોય તો એ તો જગ્યા હશે તો જ ને જેટલી કેપેસિટી વાટલી જ લે એવું ये कटामरन यॉट इधर से चलती है तो इनका पार्किंग अलग है इधर बहुत सारे पियर है पीपी आइलैंड के अलग ये अलग पियर जेम्स बॉन्ड अलग रैक कोरल अलग सिमिलन अलग सो डिफरेंट फोर्ट डिफरेंट पियर चलो इधर कप्तान इधर से ड्राइव हम भी साथ में ड्राइव फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे है ग्राउंड फ्लोर नीचे और नीचे पूरा बोट है बाद में दिखाता हूँ नीचे भी है बैठने की जगह पाँच है ना भी आओ तो भी आओ तई पाँच है
Today is a little bit windy, much windy, not little bit, very much. But still we going. Before I'm thinking to cancel, but still I want to enjoy. So we go. We decide to go because now a few days is a little bit wind, too much. He and the family are very happy. Today I'm taking my family to the Sunwind catamaran floor. It's a little bit wide, big enough to have a sun space, sunbird and from the top of there. I think this is good with the family, with the kids because it's a little bit more safe and it has a big space enough to walking there where.
इसको रियल में रिलैक्स करना है राइट काफ़ी सारे हमारे इंडियन कस्टमर जो आते हैं हमको
Mommy, let's have a good review from the person. She's looking more happier. Ask her, wait, I will ask her. Mommy, ask Mommy how she feel. She's having a picture. She's a little bit busy. Look at. We plan to have a team, like a white team, actually. But in the end, we don't get it like what we wanted for. Right now, I'm in the Getting, yeah, a little bit. He got a good shower. He got a good shower. Let me show you inside the boat. How is it look like and outside? Give me a make a small. Have a little bit windy today, so. Oh, Papa is there. Having a picture. Let me show you my family here. Papa. जाने दो Where is mommy? Wow. Okay. Okay, let me show the whole around the boat. Oh, it's shaking a lot. Shaking. There's two blocks in the side and this side. Can sit one of seat and DJ is there and the captain is there. And here is a lot of space to walk. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. This is the first floor. And the one. This one. Oh, this is empty. No one is inside here. Yeah, and who don't like to have a sun and wind, you can be here, sun wind. Here it's all empty, not so many people. I think the people who like to stay more private, you can be here. And this is the photographer. And later you can having a file with them and they will send you, okay? And I become at the other side. Let me take you to the go up top of the floor. Top floor. Then I go into floor. Okay. This is our seat, which used to be sit here. And oh shit. So beautiful. Oh, sorry. In this boat right now, include the captain and staff, all total is like something 77 people, but still doesn't look like the 77 people, huh? Because the boat is big enough to having a good space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually good, nah? I like it, enjoy. It's similar to the Hype, exactly. And the big space and the good way. I like it. Oh wait, let me go up and take a picture video. I'm not sure. I can't see it. Because too much sun. There's all the lots of I must go to sit in somewhere, he say. Let me view you from the sitting here. I must sit to this side. So having maybe better. But this is sun. A little bit sun. So sun too much. The bay, ocean dance. Let me take you to the downside with the mid-page group. And I think I'm gonna breathe from here, but I don't think I can breathe because too much shaking at the top. I think in the downstairs that much, not that much. Oh, it's already water or rain. I must go from that side. I think I must go from this side. I go from this side better. เกือบได้ไป
चलो कोरल आइलैंड पहुंच गए आधा घंटा तो लगता है उधर से कोरल आइलैंड पहुंचने में काफ़ी सारी बार कोरल आइलैंड आ चुके हैं ये साल में एक और बार कोरल आइलैंड यानी रिलैक्स चिलिंग करने के लिए अच्छा है सब कुछ कर सकते हो स्नोकलिंग स्विमिंग रिलैक्सिंग सो और
I like the photographer.
ओ हैं?
अच्छा है
कोरल आइलैंड है लेकिन बीच है बनाना बीच
Yeah, banana beach at the Coral Island. Coral Island, the coffee is the other side one. This is banana beach. It has a smaller, but the more now a little bit more people. But before it's very less.
Yeah, last year I
it
had
has
about
lots of activity like swimming, snorkeling. You can do it diving, parasailing, banana boat.
लास्ट टाइम किया था
And,
पैरास
also you can do the zip line and inside. Okay, swing.
फुकेट से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है देखो पीछे बिग बुद्धा दिखता है
It's
जूम
a
करके
15
दिखाता है
minute by speedboat and the by
Because-
catamaran is something like 20-25 minutes.
Yeah,
And,
yeah, you can speak anything, up to you.
I think
You speak loud, that's why.
Another travel give me very cheap.
be careful like this. They put some people on the same size of the boat. That's why you're getting a very cheap and very risky also.
हाँ कल एक बोट ऐसा ही ये सामने दिख रहा है ना ये ऐसा वाला डूब गया था लेकिन कोई कुछ किसी को कुछ हुआ नहीं हाँ
OK，来各位现在可以收拾东西了，各位啊，然后到后面这边来准备了，各位啊。OK，everyone you can check your belonging นะครับ you can check your belonging the boat cannot stop long time นะครับ the boat cannot stop long
यार
time
थोड़े घूमने आए हो तो 200-500 के लिए थोड़ा अच्छा ही लेके जाओ फैमिली के
OK，来各位准备站起来，然后慢
अदरवाइज
慢
सस्ता
排队到
ढूंढोगे
后
तो
面走了，各位
डूबने का
啊。
चांसेस भी है
OK ครับสามารถเตรียมสัมภาระได้เลยนะครับเรือเราไม่
किसी को कुछ हुआ नहीं बट डूब गया ऐसा
OK ครับ
हाई वेव की वजह से
you can stand by behind of the boat ครับผม you can stand by behind of the boat
चलो हमारे उतरने
来，各位前面的站起来了，各位船头这边走了，走了。
जगह
OK，ครับ everyone you
Banana
can
Beach
stand by behind of the boat ครับ
पहुंच गए ओ लगेज ले लो चलो ओके उस साइड जाना है चलो पता नहीं माली ने दिखाया कि नहीं पर हम लोग नीचे से जा रहे हैं तो दिखा देंगे एक बार नीचे से भी बाहर निकल सकते हो ऊपर से भी ये उनकी थोड़ी पेंट्री खाने पीने का सामान बियर भी मिलता है
OK，来，各位好了，可以慢慢下去，不要忘记自己的钱。
शेकिंग शेकिंग देख के पढ़ो ना
不要看脚底，看远远的。走的时候看远方，各位啊。
एकदम डोला झूला झूल रहे हैं इधर
finally we reached to the banana beach. We are walking to the beach to see the lots of fishes is there. Let me show you after few. Wait, nah. Look at here, it's a lot of fish. Maybe I will show you in the on the way back. Now it's gonna shake again because of this boat. Look at the fish. You see? Papa, mommy. ऐसे चलो. I walk like this. Oh, smooth. Oh, what's that? Jellyfish? No. The fish. This is papak pao. I don't know what is papak pao. Papak pao. The big one is will become a very, very big. Look, it's so clean and nice, huh? This called the banana beach. So clear and nice, and a lots of longtail boat, because longtail boat can come to the here by the from the pier to here. Private maybe around 8,000 to 10,000, depend on the where you select it. One island, two island. Some people like to go many island to cover. I don't like it that. I recommend it only one or two island. No. Oh wow. There's so clean water. Shallow, shallow. Oh, shallow, shallow. ถึงแล้วทางนู้น Okay. Oh, they are still in our way. I already reached it. It's a little bit much wind, so this is Banana Beach, and you can do the activity at here. You can buy everything, or you wanna pay here, whatever. You can do it here. A little bit sun. There is our guide. Uh-oh. Oh no. I thought I lost my bag. If I lost, they're gonna charge me, because it's maybe you can buy in 100, but they charge you 1,000. We're going for the food, I think. It's so hot. A little bit tired. So beautiful beach. Who like to clean? I just really look at. Sit anywhere you want.
一人一个位置哈，一人一个位置。
It's lunchtime, and the buffet lunch is gonna be plain rice and let's go have a lunch. It's done. So lunch is so. I do not very happy for the food. Food is okay, but a little bit about the staff, because the staff is from the island, I think, not from the company. So from the island, who managing about the food and something kind of. I think I have to understand that like a whole day they're gonna meet like 1,000 over people in the one off day. So maybe they are also very tired of the caring of them, I think. Yeah, but still they can be a little bit more smile and nicer than this. That is our guides here. That is the main picture, main point for the having a Coral Island banana beach check-in point. This. Right.
रापसोली वाली डाबू डाली क्या नाम?
पता नहीं.
देखो भाई, और इसमें फोटोग्राफर भी होता है, तो आप और या
If you come with a sunwind, you must go with him.
या आपके अच्छे पोज दिलवा के फोटो भी लेके देगा. सॉरी. उनको बोला हम लोग नहीं देखते, जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. उसको बोला आपकी अभी. चलो थोड़ा सा टाइम इधर लंच करने के बाद अभी बनाना बीच से निकलते हैं. कहाँ जाने वाले? ओके. हाँ अभी इधर से राया आइलैंड, उसके बाद फ्रॉम टेप कैप सनसेट पॉइंट, हम ही है लास्ट में बाकी सारे लोग चले गए। और ऐसे लॉन्ग टेल बोट लेके आनी हो रवाई से प्राइवेट, वो भी लेके आ सकते हो। 8-9 हज़ार चार्ज करेगा, काय बात। ये टाइप की भी है लॉन्ग टेल बोट, थोड़ा डेकोरेटिव किया हुआ। इसका थोड़ा चार्ज ज़्यादा होगा, आई डोंट नो। ऐसे ये हो गई स्पीड। और उसके आगे हमारी सनविंड 2 फ्लोर कैटामरन यॉट, VIP राचा कोरल सनसेट। ओह फिश, इधर आके जूते बूते उनको देख के पैर साफ करके अंदर बैठना पड़ता है। सो ये कोरल आइलैंड का बनाना बीच, उस साइड कोरल आइलैंड, अब इधर से राचा आइलैंड जा रहे हैं। अभी राचा आइलैंड इतना सारा सनसेट ये लेके जरूर आना, नहीं तो काले काले हो जाए हैं।
वो ऑलरेडी काले होते हैं,
हाँ फिर भी जलता नहीं है ना स्किन।
ज़्यादा ना जलो।
और मोर देन 50 SPF भी लाना, 70 SPF अराउंड, तो स्किन बर्न नहीं होगा। अदरवाइज जल जल के पूरा स्किन निकल आएगा। फर्स्ट टाइम गए थे 8 साल पहले, बिना कुछ लगाए तो स्किन निकालती थी। तो वो हो या ना हो। और हमारा कप्तान और यॉट लोग वापिस उधर जाके भी फोटो वीडियो बनाओ, उधर भी चिलिंग करो। नीचे भी है पेंट्री के पास भी बैठने का स्मोकिंग जोन।
After I ran to the
Fanta, Sprite, beer, everything included.
beer also. Why did not bring the beer then?
दोपहर को कौन beer?
After sunscreens and everything is put it on, now we going to the Racha Island. Racha Island for some who doing the diving. I think they can even pay here, and you can do it from the on the spot here also. They can do the diving and swimming, snorkeling, slider. So I think I'm not sure, but we did not interested. We just coming for the show and review. We come just wants to come to see and make a video for myself to the thing for the person who really want to see the how is it really. So because there are not so many people who making the real life of, you know, some people who making just for the review because they did not pay the ticket and they make a good review. Even the video also, I have a lot of people who text me like, you give me one trip, I will review. So your trip is very good and something like that. I said no, it's okay.
It's a genuine review.
Yeah, it's
Good the
kind
good,
of,
bad the bad.
yeah, it's normal. Like, you know, if okay, it's okay. If when I feel like it's not okay, it's not okay. Like, you know, some people who are gonna spend money to go into that, so I then like, you know, they can decide by self. Like, like today I said, okay, about the food is okay, like 1 or 2 dishes, not so much, like chicken and then some kakao gai and then some pad thek, like, you know, vegetable fried and soup. Food is fine, but some stuff is not so okay from the island, not from the tour, the package. The company. They are fine, but at the island there is like I feel like not so okay for them. But I will complain to the. I will inform, not a complaint. I will inform to the company to the maybe they can fix something or not or whatever. And after that is all is fine. The photographer is the best. I like when he teach like how to do this, that. Even the papa, mommy also they like they never like to take a picture like this type of, and he makes them getting a picture. I will show you after when they share me. I will update in here also how we get the picture at the island. Yeah. Even you are one, but you did not take the alone one, right?
What?
The pictures with him. It's okay. We can do in another island, Racha Island. Have a mood to spot is Racha Island, and from Cape for the sightseeing and the last dinner also. I'm not sure. I think so with the dinner, lunch, and
Okay, after that.
I'm not sure, but let's see.
Racha Island.
And we will go to the islands only one time. We will go to the islands only one time. Even if I
Racha
still
Island
like to go
snorkeling
to
के लिए
stand by behind the boat on the
जिसको
left hand
स्नॉकलिंग करना है
side. We
वो
will go to
बोट में रुकेंगे,
the
नहीं
islands
करना है वो
we
आइलैंड
want
पे
to
जाएंगे। डाइविंग के लिए भी इधर ही जाते हैं।
现在准备一下，现在呢已经到这个环岛了哈，看一下谁要上沙滩也可以，不想上沙滩也可以，不想上沙滩呢，你就可以多在我们的船上玩水。你上沙滩回来呢也有大概
स्नॉकलिंग के लिए अंदर राइट
的时间可以玩水哈。谁要上沙滩的准备一下，谁刚刚跟我们报了那个深潜的也是准备。
Racha Island by Scuba Snorkeling। हमारे पुरानी वीडियो में राचा आइलैंड देख लेना। इस पर आइलैंड पे नहीं जा रहे हैं, 40 मिनट है इसलिए। पार्किंग क्या कर रही है? हैं? धूप सेक रही है। बीच काफ़ी दूर है इसलिए वो लॉन्ग टेल में लेके जा रहे हैं, इसलिए इधर पार्किंग करवा के। क्या ओढ़े तू? इधर का इधर वो स्नॉकलिंग करवाने वाला, पास में ही पार्किंग करवाने की। ओह या इधर है स्नॉकलिंग स्पेस, वो उस साइड कर रहे हैं स्नॉकलिंग।
Hi, somebody taking a pictures alone, like, he wanna be a single man.
But this is so cool. Right now, actually, who wants to do the swimming, snorkeling, they can do the snorkeling. They're making a slider. And some who want to do the diving, they take already the diving side. This is another boat of the diving, especially diving boat. And this is taking I think I don't want to do it any swimming, snorkeling. So we just decide to sit here. Yeah, taxi boat is ready. Some has lots of things to say. It's not like some little thing is not. I have something to say. Yeah, okay, perfect and non-perfect. That's going already the kayak. Let me show you around the boats. That's what's going on. Okay.
हम लोगों को ये हमारे यॉट का स्लाइडर, हमारे यॉट वाले इधर स्नॉकलिंग कर रहे हैं, जिसको स्नॉकलिंग करना है वो। वाटर तो क्लियर ही है, दिखा देता हूँ अंदर। किस दिखेगी जूम करके। स्नॉकलिंग करना है, स्नॉकलिंग, कैनोइंग करना है, कैनोइंग, स्लाइडर भी है। डाइविंग के लिए थोड़े दूर ले जाते हैं और हम लोग इधर जूस के चिलैक्स कर रहे हैं। लॉन्ग टेल इधर 1 नाइट होटल में है ना, 1 नाइट 2 नाइट जितने भी दिन, और उसका प्रोग्राम भी है राइट। और होटल में रुकना है 1 नाइट 2 नाइट। 2500 से 20,000 तक के पैकेज है अवेलेबल। क्या हुआ स्लाइडर में? इधर यॉट से लॉन्ग टेल में ले जाते हैं उधर किनारे तक, तो बीच पे टाइम स्पेंड करके फिर लॉन्ग टेल में ही इधर वापस यॉट में लाते हैं। बड़ी बड़ी यॉट का पार्किंग दूर रहता है। राशा कोरल सनसेट यॉट ऐसा होता है कैटामरान। इधर स्नॉकलिंग स्पॉट, कैनोइंग करना है तो वो स्नॉकलिंग करके आके अभी से सो रहे जगह बना के। इधर से सिर्फ फ्रंट कैप सनसेट पॉइंट के, और सनसेट ख़त्म होने के बाद वापस बैक टू द selling. Okay, you can sell. You are living in the Patong?
Central Patong. It's called Hemingway Silk.
Okay.
Not a good hotel. Not good.
Yeah, but you are
now visiting to the where is Mitesh? Oh here. I see you. Leaving from the Rasha Island to going back to the way of home for Sunset Point, to having a sunset at the viewpoint from Cape viewpoint area. So chill. I really enjoy after long. I did enjoy. We did not come from the how many days?
almost 1 year.
1 year, almost 1 year. Like last year, 2024, almost July, no, February, April maybe, February, something like that. After that, busy with the work. I do a lot of work, but I get something more than work also. Right, really busy in those days. Now start become a little bit free, and again we're gonna take you many different places again now. Today starting from the Raya Coral, but again we will coming again the Raya Coral with the different company, because sometimes not only for the trip, I coming for the services, come to see the service, how's the service, really different. It's really worth it to pay the double price or higher price than the normal one or not. Sometimes I think yes. Anyways, the better one is better one. Expensive one is the better one, of course. Sometimes. In the end of the day, how I will see how it's gonna be. End of the view, right? All right. So I will show you after the sunset time. And
finally we reached to the sunset point of the Promthep Cape. Where is sun? I can't see. Oh yeah, I see that. The sunset point that called the Promthep Cape. Wait, I show you. That's the Promthep Cape. And they did not stop in the front of there, okay? They just stop in the behind for the fishing point. So this there has include the fishing, like a trolling fishing, like with the hand, okay? Okay, but still beautiful. But it's not sunset time yet. I think we came back earlier. That's the our check-in point, the Chalong Pier, those side. And let's go to see the fishing. How they gonna fishing? Yeah, you want to do fishing? Let's see who gonna get. There, you have to come to take care. That is coming for doing a fishing. Let's see who's getting a fish. He explaining in the Chinese language. That has a Chinese guide, 2-3 people. And they are putting. Wait, let me show you it like this. There, everybody fishing this one. We're fishing and looking. And look at Mitesh dad. He also doing a fishing. Yes, let's see the kids also. He's getting fish or not? Rainbow. They also fishing. Oh, these all people are fishing. This little boy, he also doing. He's so cute. Fishing, yeah. I think he.
ये बोट जा रहा है सनसेट के लिए। और हमारा वाला सनसेट खत्म करके बैक टू द क्या ऑलमोस्ट सनसेट होने वाला है। और हम पहुंच रहे हैं मैक्सिको के। Sunset, almost sunset, going down. Sunset.
On the way back to home. Almost done. Almost reached back to the pier.
Sun also set.
No, the weather is so cool today.
Sedan negro, पुराना ही है। पहुंचने वाले हैं चलोंग पियर। इधर से दिखता है पिंकुरा। Okay. Sunset Catamaran. ट्रिप रिलैक्सिंग करना हो तो कर सकते हो.
Hello guys, it's time to say bye bye. And enjoy. Trip is always okay. Fine. Good. Getting back around the.
Look at 6:30.
Oh.
6:30 we reach back to the pier. We
Ah.
start from the 10:30, but pickup start from the 9:30. So if you come came to the pier by start, we can arrive here 9:30. Or if they pick up maybe 8:30, I think. Alright, back to the shalom.
फिशिंग बोट ऐसी होती है. वो भी है फिशिंग बोट लाइव डीजे के साथ. ओके देन
See you.
उधर पोर्ट
Don't
तक
forget
पहुँच
to like and subscribe for me. Okay.
उधर तक पहुँचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हर बार पियर तक और उधर तक पहुँचा देते हैं.
Yeah.
वीडियो लंबा हो जाता है,
Bye.
निकलता है
Yeah, start late.
और पहले पहुँच जाता है और एक्सपेंसिव भी है.
They has a
इसका भी वीडियो बना के
yeah.
दिखाऊंगा.
Next trip we will go. We thinking to go.
ओके बाय.
Bye bye.